inspired you to get into making these beautiful shoes?
Well, first off, I've always been a jeweler, so I made jewelry for many years, and then jewelry just became so common. A lot of people started making jewelry, and then I was like, I gotta pivot. I gotta do something different. And I asked God, I said, God, what else am I supposed to do? God said, make shoes. So when that, you know how God will drop something on you, and then it's like not as easy. It's never easy. You know how it is. Just so I didn't know anyone who made shoes. I didn't know anyone, and he said make shoes. So he didn't just say for me to go buy shoes, make shoes. So this is all made first. So there will eventually be in stores, but I had to make them. I had to learn and kind of invent my own style, my own pattern, so to speak. So this is my own pattern and everything. So yeah.
I love it. I love it. How gratifying has it been?
I love art. I love making things with my hands. So it's very gratifying. I really enjoy it. I love it.
Awesome. How can we support and follow you?
Yes. So my shoes are. I have a website, and it's kind of hard, but it's www.camilli, lifeshoes.org. You can find me there. I'm on Instagram, also at Camilli Life Shoes. On Instagram, KAMILI Life Shoes. Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're
I look forward to
welcome.
seeing more of your work and trying on some of these.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you. This has helped to grip this. You have to have a glove, otherwise your hands are going to get fatigued.